In a special evening hearing, the Supreme Court bench led by the CJI ordered immediate medical examination of a 14-year-old rape survivor seeking to terminate her 28-week pregnancy. The Supreme Court asked for the report to be submitted before the court at the earliest. Now, this was an appeal by the survivor against a recent Bombay High Court judgment which dismissed a petition seeking abortion. The Bombay High Court had cited the advanced stage of the pregnancy for dismissing the application, and the petitioner, the mother of the survivor, had approached the High Court seeking directions under Article 226 of the Constitution, pleading for the termination of her daughter's pregnancy to safeguard her life. I'm joined by my colleague Ishika with more details. Ishika, take us through the latest coming from the Supreme Court. Now, a medical examination has been ordered in the case where a victim, well past the 28-week mark of a termination of pregnancy, is now being ordered by the Supreme Court.
Well, yes, certainly, yesterday in an urgent hearing, Supreme Court has in fact ordered the medical examination of the 14-year-old, in fact, who is having a pregnancy of 28 weeks. Now, let me tell you that, the victim's mother had in fact alleged that she was, in fact, allegedly sexually assaulted. And that is why first she had approached, the High Court. And there, the case was dismissed, saying, that the pregnancy has come into an advanced stage. And thus now she had approached the Supreme Court. Now, the Supreme Court in this urgent hearing noted that, in fact, in the report, it was not mentioned as to what was the impact that that the minor girl will have on this pregnancy. And that is why now the Supreme Court, in fact, has asked a hospital in Mumbai to, to do the medical examination to know as to how much impact this will have on the minor, and if she will be even safe after the termination. So that report needs to be submitted to the Supreme Court, before the next hearing, that is on April 22nd. Now, the Supreme Court has also asked the Maharashtra Council for the transportation of the girl and her mother to the hospital for the medical examination. So certainly now the Supreme Court has certainly come to the girl's rescue, because the girl's mother had in fact alleged that since she was allegedly sexually assaulted, this was certainly having a lot of impact on her mentally and physically as well. Over to you.